on Earth, there comes a time when the moon is between the sun and the Earth. Let's see what happens. As you all see that the moon is casting its shadow on the Earth and we are not able to see the sun. This is called solar eclipse. The solar eclipse always occurs on a new moon.
Solar eclipse occurs when the moon is opposite the sun, having Earth in between. Lunar eclipses always occurs on a full moon night. The central part of a shadow, which is completely dark, is called umbra or umbral region, and the outer part of a shadow, which is less dark, is called penumbra or penumbral region.
Solar eclipse is caused when the moon comes in between of the sun and the earth. It blocks the sunlight from getting it towards the earth and it is darkened on the earth. It is because when the sun's light reflects on an opaque object or on the moon and the earth, it casts a shadow. The totally dark area is called umbra and the partially dark area is called penumbra.
This is my model of lunar eclipse. This is showing that the earth blocks the sunlight to the moon. A lunar eclipse occurs when the moon moves into the earth's shadow. This can occur only when the sun, earth and moon are exactly very closely aligned with earth between the other two and only on the night of a full moon.
Important source is the formation of eclipses. When light falls on an oblique object, its shadow is formed. The earth and the moon are also oblique objects. When the sunlight falls on the earth and the moon, it casts shadow. At the time of eclipse, the sun, the earth and the moon are in a straight line. This is called a solar eclipse.
This is my model of phases of the moon. This is sun. This is earth. This is phases of the moon. First period starts from new moon. This is new moon. This is waning crescent. This is half moon. This is waning gibbous. This is full moon. This is waxing gibbous. This is full moon. This is half moon. This is waxing crescent. And this is new moon.
Today I will show you the model of solar eclipse. When the moon comes between the sun and the earth, the moon's shadow comes and covers a small part of the earth's surface. It's called a solar eclipse. The darker part with the darker shadow is the umbra and the lighter shadow is the penumbra.
I have made a model of solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. I want to tell you about my model, but first I will tell you what is eclipse. Eclipse is an astronomical phenomenon which occurs when sun, moon and the earth, due to their movement, come in a straight line. There are two types of eclipse: solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. Solar eclipse, when moon comes in between sun and the earth, it blocks the light of the sun and casts a shadow on a small portion of the earth. The people living on the shadow area could not see the sun.
I have made a model of lunar eclipse. This is my model. Eclipse occurs when a celestial body is obscured by another Earth's shadow. A lunar eclipse happens when the Earth is between the Sun and the Moon.
I will tell you about my model. First, I will introduce you to my project. This is sun, this is earth, and these all are phases of moon. So, when the moonlight between sun and earth, we cannot see the moon, so it is called new moon.
This is my model on lunar eclipse. As you can see, this is the Sun, this is the Earth, and this is the Moon. The Sun's rays are directing towards the Earth, but is not passing through the Moon because the Earth is an opaque object, and thus light cannot pass through it. The portion that is dark and is covering the moon is called the umbral region.
sun from getting to the earth. So you can see a little shadow on the earth. So people living on the shadow cannot see the sun. So this process is called solar eclipse.
My model describes about the solar eclipse. The solar eclipse occurs when the moon, during its journey around the earth, comes in the front of the sun, blocking its light. This is called the solar eclipse. My model is made up of three thermocol balls: sun, moon and the earth. For the space, I have used black chart paper and card.
A lunar eclipse occurs when the moon moves into the earth's shadow. This can occur only when the sun, earth and moon are exactly or very closely aligned, with earth between the other two, and only on the night of a full moon.
Phases of the moon, of little portion of the moon that can be seen from the earth, known as phases of the moon. They are new moon, waxing crescent moon, first quarter half moon, waxing gibbous moon, full moon, waning gibbous moon, third quarter and waning crescent moon.
When the earth, the moon and the sun are in a line, and the moon is in between, the moon covers a part of the sun, and this is called solar eclipse.
I will demonstrate my project done on topic the phases of the moon. The moon revolves around the earth once every 29.5 days. As the moon carries out its revolution around the planet, it's lit from varying angles by the sun. The cycle of phases of moon is new moon, crescent moon, half moon, gibbous moon, full moon,